It's getting serious up in here.
Sabbatical. 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 Sabbatical.
Sabbatical.
Sabbatical. Sabbatical. Susie just finished backing up the trailer. How do you feel?
I feel like I need a nap. It was hard work. It was really hard, but I think I'm getting it.
She did a great job. It looks perfect. Great job, Sue.
Our first
All right, that was our first public shower at a campsite.
No.
On this trip?
What about the bathhouse at Riverwalk 1? It was a bathhouse on the property.
Yeah.
It was really
nice. A little
nice.
different, but you're right.
Yeah, this is more public. Well, that one was public too, but that one was actually nice.
What's your first impression?
This
or
one?
Second or third impression, yeah.
This one was good. The water was hot. It was clean.
Very hot.
I mean, it was just concrete, you know. There was no warm niceties to it like the other one, but it was a hot, full force, good shower. Yes.
Yeah.
It was good.
Now we gotta comb our hair.
I
Don't
know.
tell my friend Mike though, I did not wear my flip-flops. I was barefooted in the shower.
I
That
did.
part, kind of disgusting.
Yeah, I did too. I put a towel on the dry part, so when I stepped out of the shower, at least I was stepping on something that was fairly clean. It was a dirty towel, but it was a clean, dirty towel.
Then you got brother Gary, who's a master at tape. Who needs to spend $1,400 on a new taillight when you got Gary?
This is gonna be a lot cheaper.
What's the warranty on something like that though?
To the end of the driveway.
Good thing it's a long driveway.
Yeah. Where we at, Rob?
We are at a place called Runza. It's a fast food joint in Omaha, Nebraska, or in Nebraska. I think it's more than just Nebraska.
I don't know. I think Runza might be just a Nebraska thing. My aunts used to make these when I was younger, and I don't know the origins of them. I don't know where they came up with this crazy name, but let's see what's in here.
Yeah.
Okay, Rob's about to take a bite. We got the
that's really
spinach.
hot.
Here, let me see it. I know, they're crazy hot.
Very, very hot.
We got the, not spinach, mushroom Swiss Runza. So it should be meat, cheese, mushrooms, wrapped up in like bread.
Mm-hmm.
It's baked. So delicious. I can't wait to have one. What are we doing here?
This is semi-pro pickleball here in Omaha, Nebraska. We have a home court. Obviously, we're at a disadvantage. Gary and Jamie are educating us, and as they warm up,
Woo! It's getting serious up in here. Okay, Rob's getting ready to go on a 1/10 mile hike. Wait, float. Down the Platte River. He's prepped. He's got his dry bag. He's got his fishing pole. He's got his comfy seat. He's got his Yeti.
Yeah.
He's got his net in case he catches something big. He's got Brother Gary going with him. His protection, his lead, is his guide. He knows where to go.
That's actually his nickname is Pocahontas.
Woohoo!
Rolling.
Oh, music. That was the last.
We had some broken equipment here. We lost the end of a paddle, Gary did. How was it?
It was great. Really, it was awesome. Pocahontas here, he had a really good route planned out. And we didn't take it because
I saw you trying to paddle across stream, it looked like, when I went over the bridge. Were you trying to cross over to the other side or something?
really
sometimes it just kind of
water.
takes you where it goes, and then try and stay in the channel. Otherwise, you're walking it.
All right. Well, success. What did it take? About an hour?
Oh, it's super crunchy, dude.
Okay, so what are we having here?
Somebody's nut. It's it's actually a bull testicle. Breaded, thankfully. Marinated, sauteed.
With some sweet baby rays on it. You're eating a bull's nut. That's just... Can you get past it? That it's a testicle you're eating?
It tastes good.
Okay, stop. Let's face it. One of our main concerns is that we're going to eat way too much on this trip, and we're doing a lot of sitting. A lot of sitting, a little bit of walking, but a lot of sitting, a lot of driving. So we chose to try to limit our intake. Now, Susie's got me on a duct tape diet. And one of the things we're going to do is track how much weight we've lost or gained during this trip. Our goal is to stay active as we possibly can, but we also understand that we like to snack.
Yeah, and we've had people, every place we go, people give us food. Every place we've gone.
Gary and
Jamie, you know, and then they gave us food to go. Of course, it was pickles and apples. That's no big deal. Good, but then
And the weather
our
is good.
cousins, Diane, and Diane was making zucchini bread that had chocolate chips and nuts in it. It was delicious, so good. We ate like half the loaf just while we were driving.
How do you turn down banana chocolate chip nut bread?
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
It was really
There wasn't banana?
No,
All
zucchini bread, I think.
Oh, whatever. It tasted delicious, whatever that was in it.
We're just leaving the Rambling Rose, and they, you know, apple trees, you know, just fruits and all kinds of stuff. So
That's all good for you. But Oh, the other thing is the weather. The weather's not getting any better, so it's gonna start getting colder and wetter. So I don't know how much we're gonna be able to exercise. So we'll see.
We'll figure it out.
We'll give a good college try. Sabbatical. All right, guys. I told you in my tool segment that I like to do things on my own. You know, I'm kind of a do-it-yourselfer. But when it comes to windows, I didn't even try it. I went and I took it here. Safe Light Auto Glass. They did a hell of a job. This one's in Omaha, Nebraska, but they're nationwide. I highly recommend it. Price was a couple $100 less than everybody else.